Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can swipe down anywhere on the home screen to bring down the notification panel. Okay, so at the moment when I swipe down on the home screen, it brings me into the app drawer. And if I want to bring down the notification panel, I have to swipe from the top to bring it down. Okay, so I'm just going to show you real quick how you can enable it, that you can just swipe from anywhere on the home screen to bring it down. Just makes things easier. So all you have to do is just long press on the home screen, go to settings, and then scroll down to where it says swipe down for notification panel. Open the notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. So just go ahead and turn it on. And now when I swipe down from here, it brings down the notification panel. And the beauty about this is you can swipe down from anywhere, even from the edges. So literally anywhere on the screen, you can swipe down and it brings down the notification panel. Anyway, hope this video helped you out, guys. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.